Now, to me, the price of Shiba Inu coin looks as though it may be bottoming out. We've been sitting at this current level for about a week now, and in fact, since Bitcoin fell out of the sky, going from roughly $105,000, $110,000 per coin down to $91,000, the same day that Ethereum went to $2,100 per coin, Shiba Inu coin fell all the way to 1,100 points per coin, wicking down and wicking right back up. Now, it does look stable at the moment, but we still have a lot of people. I can't even say a lot of people. We got one guy. We got one guy talking about a potential 30% correction here before we really bottom out. Let's talk about it. If it sounds like something you're interested in, let's get started. What's up, everybody? I'm Clay, and as you can see, we're going to be going over some Shiba Inu coin price action. I think we might not be bullish at the moment, but I'm not terribly concerned about bearish activity, unless, of course, Bitcoin decides to fall back down to 90, 80s, or so on. But before I do, I want to say this. Congratulations to everybody that was able to get into Wall Street Pepe. It is officially sold out. It's reached its hard cap. It did it early. We were talking about this for weeks, and congratulations to all of you guys. One of the other tokens that I am diversifying into is Solixi token. These guys are rolling in on $20 million sold. And I do believe that if they're able to complete a layer 2 blockchain for the Solana network, it is going to see a lot of attention in the upcoming bull market because, of course, Solana is very likely to get congested. Now, it is also a very simple process. You're going to buy with crypto, buy with card, and then, of course, if you want to buy with your cryptocurrency, scan this QR code here, connect your wallet, jump in. I own Solixi token, and I'm very excited about it. And I'm also excited to see this Wall Street Pepe launch because I want to make a lot of money. Now, Shiba Inu coin facing the potential 30% capitulation. Here's the target. Now, I'm not going to go in and talk about it too much, but let's just go over what this TradingView analyst is saying. It says, Mad Whale, who lauded their accuracy of previous predictions, stated that Shiba Inu coin is still in a bearish phase. As a result, he speculated that the token might see lower prices, specifically towards its higher time frame support area. And we've got a little chart down here we're going to go over. It says, the analyst suggests the prominent meme coin will correct at least 30% from its current valuation to support at 1,120 points per coin. Meanwhile, he stated the downtrend may extend beyond the support to lower prices depending on the broader market conditions. Nonetheless, Mad Whale speculated two likely scenarios for the downtrend. An accompanying chart shows that Shiba Inu coin could either resume the uptrend from the current market position or trend to higher prices before the correction. Okay, so it's either going to go up or it's going to go down. I too would laud the accuracy of my predictions if I said it's either going to go up or it's going to go down. Darn it, man. If I said that, it would probably sit sideways for the next 6 weeks. So I'm not in the game of predicting what is going to happen next because as soon as this guy is wrong and it doesn't hit 1,120 points per coin, he's going to say, oh, he never said that. The analysis changed, and you guys get it with guys that predict out there, especially ones that say, I told you so. It says, in the case where Shiba Inu coin temporarily appreciates, his chart shows it could surge to the tip of the ascending channel before another round of capitulation. Notably, the channel's tip lies around 1,900 points per coin, marking a 20% upsurge from the current market price. Analysts' view on Shiba Inu coin's next course after the downtrend, and it all depends on what the overall market is doing. It says, for instance, top Bitcoin analyst Crypto Elites recently shared that Shiba Inu coin's technical outlook remains bullish. Citing a classic cup and handle pattern, he predicted a 2,860% breakout of 47,000 points per coin. Another analysis suggests that Shiba Inu coin could see a substantial uptick to 4,700 points per coin, with the upward trajectory of over 540% to 13,970 points per coin in view. In the meantime, we're sitting at about 1,600 points per coin. Today, we're at 1,570 points per coin. And guys, this just goes to show you that Shiba Inu coin price predictions are all over the board. Nobody knows. And I have no problem admitting that. Some of you guys in the comments are funny. You're always like, you have no idea what Shiba Inu coin is going to do next. And I'm like, Yeah, dude, that's exactly right. Nobody knows what Shiba Inu coin is going to do next. Nobody knows that. If anybody out there knew what a token, a coin, a stock, an asset, a commodity, I don't care. If anybody knew what the price was going to be tomorrow, they would be a trillionaire. I mean, you know that, right? It is not necessarily a guessing game. We can form a hypothesis. We've got educated guesses. We've got technical analysis. We've got all of these things and all of these tools at our disposal that we can use to best assume what is going to come next. But when we look at the overall market, we don't know for sure. Here's what we do know. We've got a new administration that is promised to create a golden age for digital assets here in the United States and across the globe. Make the United States the crypto capital of the world. And when I hear stuff like that, you know, some people can think, oh, hey, that's just an empty promise. And it might be. I don't know. But what I do know is that if we go that direction, if that's something that we attempt, this industry is set to grow like it has never grown before. And I need to be invested to take advantage of that. Now, if I start to think a little bit more logically, right? These millionaires, these billionaires, these whales, these institutions, and all of this, if they want to create massive amounts of wealth, they essentially need a new industry, right? We've gone through an industrial revolution. It's not like we can go out there and expect a steel company to 10, 20, 30x in value. So we need a new industry, one that is fresh, one that is set to grow, one that could potentially create, guys, if you want to create $1 trillion in wealth, I don't know if you know this or not, but the overall crypto market only needs to see a 30% gain. And $1 trillion in wealth has been created. Think about that. What if we 10x? That's a $30 trillion wealth creation. These guys understand that, right? And their timeline isn't tomorrow. Their timeline's not next week. Their timeline is decades. And I do believe that we will see trillions or tens of trillions, maybe even hundreds of trillions of dollars in wealth creation over the coming decades. Therefore, some of my trades, I plan on buying and selling. Some of my trades, I plan on buying and holding. You've got to be prepared. We've got to diversify, and we've got to be willing to hold if we expect to make it. Now, I do believe that this industry is still brand new, and the KSX exchange is one of the places that I am accumulating as much cryptocurrency as I possibly can. You guys got links for it down in the description, and they allow you to trade on up to 100x leverage, and they get some of the best fees in the entire space because, well, 0% maker, 0% taker. Go out and check that link out in the description below for them. And of course, congratulations once again to everybody who got into Wall Street Pepe. It is officially sold out. And now I got my sights set on Solixi token, which is soaring into the $20 million raised mark. I don't know, but I got a feeling that when people make money on Wall Street Pepe, they're going to be pouring into Solixi, and they're going to be pouring into Mind of Pepe to make those next 5, 10, 15x gains. Let's talk about it down in the comments below, and until the next time, hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day.